Survival difficulty, Class 3. Unsafe. Unstable. Significant entity threat. Level 0.5, also known as the chaotic structure, is a sublevel of level 0. The first known image of level 0.5 was found posted to the MEG Backrooms database by an unknown user in 2019. Description: Level 0.5 consists of an endless series of randomly segmented cubic/rectangular solids, all completely covered in carpets in varying shades of blue. The composition of these solids is unknown, as the carpet seems to be unbreakable, but they are believed to be made out of some kind of metal. Notably, most carpets have straight black lines of varying thicknesses. All lines are parallel to the edge of the solid they are on, and often have gaps. It is believed these gaps contain hidden messages, but attempts to translate them have failed, with one exception. While in the level, gravity only applies when on the face of a solid, and pulls one down onto the face. Interestingly, one will always be pulled down, regardless of which face they are on, allowing one to walk on all sides of a solid, including the bottom. Jumping between solids is possible, as there is no gravity while in midair. Another image of level 0.5. The photographer known still alive. All solids within the level are suspended in a light blue fog, which seemingly stretches on infinitely. This fog restricts vision to 10 to 100 feet depending on its thickness. Notably, the fog seems to dissipate depending on how far up a person travels, although it never disappears entirely. The fog also seems to be the light source for this level, with a soft white light emanating from it constantly. The fog seems to be a mixture of water and almond water, but, though it retains the taste of almond water, the concentration of almond water within the fog is incredibly small, making it necessary to inhale large amounts for the almond water to begin having an effect. It is only possible to inhale the fog while not on a solid. Time is strange here. One may feel hungry one moment and the next feel full despite never eating. In addition, one's sense of time drastically varies, ranging as far as thinking one has been in the level for just seconds to hours. There is no way to keep time while here. There is no day/night cycle, or even anything resembling it, nor do people feel tired while in this level. One's senses of distance and direction are also altered here, making it impossible to travel in a straight line. Many objects can be found within the level, mostly being related to tabletop games, such as chess pieces, puzzle pieces, and dice. Attempting to pick up any object in the level, including ones brought in, will still work, although the size of objects changes based on perspective. The floating lobby. If one travels far enough in this level, the level will begin to resemble level 0. The carpet will slowly transition from shades of blue to a uniform gray and will become increasingly moist, while the lines within the carpet will disappear. The color of the fog will shift to a yellow resembling the infamous wallpaper of level 0. Interestingly, QWERTY, a level-exclusive entity, can still appear here, despite level 0 having no entities. It is believed that, if one travels far enough in this area, the transition to level 0 will become complete, and one will be transported to level 0. However, this is unconfirmed. Entities. One level-exclusive entity, known as QWERTY, has been discovered. QWERTY. The fog within level 0.5, in addition to having strange properties, is the habitat of a mysterious entity known as QWERTY. It is unknown exactly what QWERTY is, as only portions of its body have been seen. Indeed, it is unknown if QWERTY is an entity in its own right, or simply a manifestation of level 0.5's properties. Two of QWERTY's arms emerging from the fog. Photographer presumed dead. QWERTY consists of at least 6 long, dark blue appendages, each resembling human arms, with 10 fingers on each hand. Notably, each hand is a fractal, the finger of one hand is the arm leading to another, and so on. Each hand has 11 tentacle-like suckers, with one large one in the center and 10 more where each of its fingers would normally end. The suckers appear on every single hand Cordy has, regardless of size. If one looks deep into the fog long enough, they will notice the lines on the solids nearby them, including the one they are on. If they are on one, now have the exact same pattern of lines and gaps. This pattern, the only one to be deciphered, means Cordy sees 0 MES, and are all pointing into the fog. After a few seconds, Cordy will emerge from the direction the lines point in, and will attempt to grab the person who did so. If it successfully does, it will pull them down into the fog. After approximately 3 seconds, the victim will reach a seemingly infinite deep blue void, known as level 0.5.1. Escape from this void seems to be impossible, with all who enter dying of starvation or presumably being killed by Cordy. Cordy cannot be hurt by blades or brute force, though firearms, RPGs, and other large weapons can harm it. As Cordy will only stop pulling its victim into level 0.5.1 if it is significantly injured, it is recommended to bring heavy weaponry if one wishes to defeat it. Entrances and exits. Level 0 entrance. Level 0.5 can only be accessed through cutoffs within level 0. These cutoffs appear to be regular hallways/rooms of level 0 cut in half by a large wall mirror, which completely blocks off the rest of the hallway/room. If one attempts to interact with, walk through, or no-clip through the mirror, they will fall through the floor. While falling, they will see a kaleidoscope of level 0 transitioning into level 0.5. Interestingly, entering level 0.5 can take anywhere from seconds to days. As of right now, it is believed these cutoffs occur when a glitch occurs within level 0, or a portion of it somehow knocklips onto itself. Exits. No stable exits to this level have been found. However, there are unconfirmed and unstable ones. It is theorized that, if one travels far enough in the floating lobby, they will be transported back to level 0. Several wanderers have reportedly been able to escape through a variety of means, such as falling asleep or floating in the fog for a long period of time. However, none of these exits are stable.